Okay. Copy like this. Come here. Here you can update the. Okay. Yeah. So here you can update the group ID and click send. That's it. You will get the group information. Okay. If you see, this is a built-in group. That name is everyone group. Okay. And let's say you want to get the list of members in that group. Okay. You can see group membership operations. If you open that in the top, it is asking for group ID. Okay. What you can do is you can edit this group ID. And you can enter the group ID that you are trying to get the list of users list. Okay. Copy that group ID here, no other changes. You should not change this. These things should not be touched. Only the group ID that has been given a red color. You should change it. Okay. Except you will get the list of users in the bottom. Yeah. You will get the list of users here. Okay. The first name, last name of that user and all the user information will be populated here. Now let's convert it to JSON to CSV. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so you got all the list of users which we have added to the user. We can able to see all the list of users with their status also in the group. Who is part of the group? Okay, who is part of the group that we have employed? Okay, now this thing add user to group will be used for adding user to a group. Okay, one user to one group. You need a user ID here which is unresolved. And you need a group ID also. Okay, both the information. So you want, let's say, I want to add one user to a group. I don't have any permissions to open this up the main console, so how can I get that group ID or user ID? Okay, so two ways are that. Either you will be given and read only admin access for Okta. Okay, because you are an Okta admin. You should know this, you should see this. Then you can able to troubleshoot or you can able to configure everything. So you will be granted read-only access, or you can do in this way. Let's say you want to get the list of groups already available. First you need to get the list here in this unit to see, okay, this is the group. Name is Okta Windows Security. The group name is Okta Windows Security. I need to get this ID here. And I can able to go ahead and whatever the action that I want I can perform here. Okay, got it. Two ways are possible, both ways you can do. Either you can do it from Okta console or you don't have Okta console access at all, not even an access you don't have. Then you can go ahead and do like this. But it is very complex. I would say, but there is an option. Okay. Now let's try to add a user to a group. Okay, one user to 1, 2. Let's say, I want to add it to this API group. Okay, I want to add one user here. Let me remove this user. Let me remove all the users. Okay. I just try to add this user alone. Okay. So I need this user ID first, which I have to update here. I have updated. Then I need group ID. Group ID is nothing but this group, which I'm going to add. This, the group ID. And I will refresh this. So no users are there right now. Now let me add that user here. Okay, now click Set. So you can say, do not force no content, which means it has been added. See, this user has been added. Likewise, you can able to add user to the group and remove also. There is an option. I'll let you know how you can. Okay, there it is. Same thing. You can use this. Here you need to enter the group ID. Here you need to enter the user ID. Okay. In that way, you can able to remove the users from the group. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Yeah, it's clear. Okay.